afternoon, good evening, guys, and welcome to another video of Diving Trading. My name is Daniel, and today, guys, we're doing an update on Clickstream. That's right, Clickstream, one of my favorite stocks, penny stocks at the moment. For those of you who follow my channel, know that I've done a video, or a few videos actually, in the last few weeks. I was one of the first ones to bang out some videos on this company, and ever since I've done some updates for my viewers to make sure that you're updated on Clickstream. So this is the fourth part to Clickstream. Those of you who don't follow my channel, you can have a look but on my playlist. I do have a playlist on my channel on the videos I've done so far, so watch out for that one. And guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. That really helps my channel. And those of you that already subscribe to my channel, just give a big like. That helps the YouTube algorithm. So guys, let's get straight into it. Let's have a look. First of all, first things first, I'm not a financial advisor, so everything I say on here is my own personal opinion. Okay guys, so let's have a look. They have a new product coming soon. It's looking good. We don't know what it is, but it excites the investors, and so it's good. So we don't know what type of app it's going to be. So remember, we have WinQuick and HeyPal, which is the two dominant ones they have at the moment. HeyPal being the one that I'm most excited about at the moment. So this third one coming out soon, we don't know what it is, and yeah, we'll have to look out for it. So let's have a look at before we go into it and have a look at the news and prices, I want to go in and have a look actually on a few things, which is just to put something into context. This is a volatile stock. We know it's a volatile stock. You shouldn't be putting all your money on this stock. Okay, there's a lot of risk, so you have to be very careful. I would like to actually add in to this stock, but unfortunately I cannot, due to the fact that Trading 212 have restricted this and many other penny stocks. So I'm unable to buy. I can sell, which I obviously haven't sold, but I can't buy to dollar cost in, which is quite frustrating. But nevertheless, let's hope that that's sorted out soon. There have been mails sent to Trading 212, and they come back with the sort of same answer, copy and paste answer, saying that we cannot, it's not under our scope, blah 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 blah. So let's just hope that we have something new soon. So for those that do have Trading 212, we'll be able to actually buy some more. Okay, but let's have a look. I want to have a look at other social apps. I mean, these companies are way ahead, so we can't compare Clickstream to these guys at the moment. Okay, but it's just to give you an idea. First of all, let's have a look at have a look at Facebook. Facebook's really on a world of its own. But let's say something like Snapchat. Look at the market cap it's had after all these years. So just to give you an idea, $18 billion market cap, which is really quite impressive. I'm not saying that the Clickstream could get there anytime soon. It would be a long way to get there. But just to give you an idea of how these social apps actually, how they grow, what type of market cap they have. Pinterest 11 billion, Twitter 13 billion, LinkedIn 26 billion, YouTube 90 billion. So that's just to put it a little bit into context. Just to put it in context. Even if it gets to 1 billion, let's say 1 billion, we're still looking at exciting numbers. Okay, but so yeah, I just wanted to give a bit of a comparison. So looking at the price chart, it's pretty much the same as last time actually. So we're having a bit of a sideways consolidation. So with this range, so between the 19 cents and the 30 cents. So it seems to be bouncing about in between that area. So we haven't, neither are we breaking resistance nor are we touching support. Last time we actually did touch support was a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, on the 5th of March. So that would be actually the support level. Okay, to go, if it did go down below this, then that's probably what would be the worrying, if it does go below this level. Okay, so if anything goes bad, we'll probably see them go down way below 19 cents. So prices, so it's difficult to actually mark out price because we don't really have a lot of resistance levels, to be honest with you. Probably looking at it, the next one would be around about here, which is actually the 30 cents. So 30 cents would be our target, I would imagine. And if we can get past that 30 cents mark, and go upwards, we could be in for a good run. So let's hopefully see that we break the 30 cents mark in the very near future. Also, what's changed recently, which is a little bit nicer than what it was before. If you remember back in my first initial update, I did say that the website was a little bit scrappy, but they have updated it and it does look much more appealing. So they've done that at the end of February, which is good. So it's a little bit more attractive, the website, than it was before. So let's have a look at the news. So yesterday was quite a big day. It's the next step that they've taken on the 15th of March, Monday, 15th of March. A big step they've taken, which means that they've come out into 5 new countries. So they've included the UK, Brazil, South Korea, Italy, and Germany. Okay, so the first 10 countries were smaller countries. Having said that, they had quite a good reaction in terms of the numbers. And now, really, this is key. This is key, especially in the UK. A lot of people out there wanted to learn English, so they want to interact with the English-speaking people. So this week, I would like to see the update on the Twitter account. That normally gives us an idea of how many people are actually on the app, how many messages have been exchanged, like they have been doing recently. So hopefully, we should see at least a double. I would like to see at least double the messages that have been over the last few weeks. So this is interesting and it's exciting. So now, finally, they're in 15 countries. So that includes Australia, Taiwan, Spain, Ireland, Switzerland, Morocco, Ukraine, Turkey, Colombia, Israel, United Kingdom, Brazil, South Korea, Italy, and Germany. Okay, I'm in Spain, but I can't get it because I don't have an iPhone. I've got an Android phone, so I haven't been able to test it out. Having said that, there have been 2 or 3 people that have contacted me, and they've said that it's really quite good. So they haven't given me any detail, but they said it's responsive and it's quite interesting. So it's looking good. Colombia, now that I see Colombia is quite interesting because I saw another article that suggested that there was the 7th most downloaded app in Colombia, educational app. So that's a good bit of information we have there. So it's interesting to see. So yeah, things are looking exciting. Again, guys, if you're moving forward and people ask me, should I invest? I will only tell you what I think, and I'll repeat myself again. It remains a high risk stock. Having said that, I'm really quite excited about the stock, the concept of this application, and the way it's going to be moving forward. I don't think we're going to expect to have big returns in the next few days or few weeks. This is going to be something that's going to roll out little by little over time. This is not something that's going to be. I could be wrong. But don't expect to get money. Don't expect to get a high return, 1,000% return in a matter of few weeks. So I don't mind saying that we could see that in a few years if this all turns out successfully. Having said that, we still have to be cautious because there could still be things that we're not seeing. Okay, so we're all hearing what's been said, but there's a lot of things that could go wrong. We have to make sure that we're ready for that. Okay, so I don't know, I've said this before, but we could have a big virus, or there could be the app could be crashing every 5 seconds, and once you lose interest of a lot of users, the price will start to go down. So the key point here, I think, really what the key successful point is not to get people on trying it, but it's to maintain people on their app. And I think that's really what the key component here is. The success rate will be not the amount of registered users, which is what we're seeing, but the actual interaction and the amount of time users are on there. Because it's all very well having to go and having a look at it and think, right, that's great, I love it, and not coming back to it. But if that person, that user, is constantly on it, this is what will make this app successful. Okay, so that really all depends on that. So guys, that's my little view, my little part on Clickstream for this week, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. I still want to hear people who have this app and have downloaded it and tried it. Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear to see what you have to say. If you've liked the video, give me a big like, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, because that really helps my channel. Guys, thank you for being patient, and I'll speak to you soon.